Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to pay an online invoice from PayPal with a credit or debit card. PayPal lets you pay invoices even if you don't have a PayPal account in many supported countries. If the seller allows guest checkout, you can simply use your debit or credit card to complete the payment. Before paying, always make sure the invoice is from a trusted sender and review all the payment details carefully. Now let's get started. First, check your email inbox for the PayPal invoice. Now open the email and click View and Pay Invoice, then review the invoice details, including the seller's name, items, and total amount. If everything looks correct, continue to the payment page. Now, if you already have a PayPal account, sign in if prompted. Then select Pay with Debit or Credit Card if you want to pay using your card instead of your PayPal balance. If you don't have a PayPal account, click Pay with Debit or Credit Card or Guest Checkout if that option is available. Now enter your card details, then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, billing address, and any other required information. After that, review your payment details carefully. Now click Pay Now or Complete Purchase. If your bank asks for additional security verification, complete the verification process. Then wait for the payment confirmation. After that, you'll receive a confirmation message, and you may also receive a payment receipt by email. If you're paying a money request instead of an invoice, open the request from your dashboard or activity. Click Send Payment, review the details, and then confirm the payment. Always avoid paying invoices you don't recognize, and never call phone numbers or click suspicious links included in unexpected invoices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.